If y'all want to see how I achieved this look, this nice bone straight wig, look at the scalp, y'all. If y'all want to see, keep watching. So the first thing I did was, well, as you guys can see, I washed out the hair. I had to blow dry it. The wig still looks brand new. I didn't do nothing. I didn't really cut off all the lace. And this is the hair that I bought to add in some length, some inches. I had bought 2-pack because the 1-pack itself, the width itself is very thin. So I had to buy 2 just in case. I wanted to add more to make it more full. So I was just blow drying the hair, and then this is how the hair looked when it was blow dried. You know, it looks trashy, y'all. So I actually opened 1-pack, so this is how the hair looks. It doesn't really look humanish, but the hair was given. It was soft, it was long enough for me. So yeah. Now I was just parting part of the wig to find like a space where I can sew in like a piece of the weave onto it. So I started at the bottom. So as you guys can see, that was how much hair that I had to use. You guys saw how thin it was. So I put the wig on my knee. I mean, I did have a mannequin head, but I feel like once I put the wig on mannequin head, it would stretch the wig cap, and then it would be you know, it would kind of make the wig cap more smaller, because I actually did try that once on one of my old wigs before. When I was adding more length to the wig, I had put the wig onto the mannequin, and then it kind of stretched out the wig cap. And then once I had to put it on my head, the wig cap was kind of small because, you know, it stretched it out, and I sewed in the weave. So I didn't do that this time for this wig. So I just put it on my knee so I can just, you know, get the you know, so the wig cap wasn't stretched out. So I'm not sure if there are any other videos that, you know, show this type of process and how to add length to your old wigs, but this is very convenient, because I actually was thinking of buying a brand new wig that was long, but I'm like, you know what, a wig itself is expensive, especially when you get it like a long length. So I decided to buy just 2 weaves from my beauty supply store that wasn't even that expensive, and I just decided to add it to one of my old wigs to kind of add more length. So it's kind of convenient as well, because once I'm sewing it in, it's, you know, I can easily take it back out whenever I want to, if I, you know, don't want it long anymore. So this is kind of a good way for you to just kind of freshen up and transform your wig into a new look. So after I was done adding some of the weave into the hair, I braided my own hair, y'all. I feel like I didn't braid it good, but it actually looks really nice. And it was 1 o'clock in the morning, y'all, and I was doing my hair. I was like, I had to get this thing done because I was not going to be doing my hair for 2 days. Okay, so I just did it in one night. And this actually wasn't a wig cap, it was actually some high knee stockings that I use, and I actually like these better than the wig cap because I feel like the wig caps are so thick, and these that I was putting on my head was very thin. So yeah, I see I was struggling because that thing was tight to get on my head. I should have stretched it down somewhere because y'all see in the back it's like it looked bulky, but yeah. I used a high knee cap. As I highly recommend that you guys use this if you guys know how to install a wig, or if you guys are wanting to start to install a wig. I feel like you guys should do stockings instead because it's very thin and it's very easy. It blends in with the lace. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I was using the bowl hole glue. You guys, it's my first time using it, and one time editing this video because I got the wig on my head right now, y'all. When I tell y'all the wig, I mean not the wig, the glue is the bomb. I feel like my wig has not moved yet. My lace blends in so freaking good, or maybe because I just installed the wig so good, y'all. But I'm gonna buy this glue more often. So after I cut the lace, I think I added about like 4 or 5 glue layers of glue, y'all, because I was kind of struggling to get the glue right and get like the lace, not the lace, the cap, like really glued down onto my hair. So I think I added about like 4 or 5 layers to my head. When I tell you I was dying, I was literally pulling the wig to test the glue if this thing was glued on. I was like, yep, this the one. This glue is the bomb, y'all. Like, come on now. Do y'all see that? Melted, okay? All it needed was a little bit of spray for it to melt more and blend into my skin, okay? Don't play with me. Oh my gosh, y'all. I was so in love. I'm like, oh my freaking god. Like, I just couldn't. But I used the Ebon New York Wonder Lace Bond, y'all, and when I used this to spray on the lace, y'all, listen, I was in love. All right, I was like, okay, I'm not going back to Got to Be Glue anymore, y'all. Because like I literally seen this on TikTok and I made a video about the stuff that I spend on, y'all, and I decided to get this spray and I was like, oh yeah, I'm definitely buying these more often. But do y'all see how it blends in? Look at that. Look at it, y'all. Look at that. Look at my face. I was so shocked. I'm like, yes, because the Got to Be Glue doesn't do this. And I've heard that it's more like alcohol based, and y'all's peep that I smelled it, y'all. It smells really good too. Alright, you guys, so this basically was the next day. I know, even though I mentioned earlier that I wasn't going to be doing my hair for 2 days, but I technically was finished, you know, with everything with my hair. I just flat ironed it out more, and I was just parting sections of the wig to flatten it out, as you guys can see, so it doesn't look too like puffy or anything. So I was just using my hot comb to flatten it out and make it look more natural. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look of the hair. This is how long it is. It wasn't that long, but it was a perfect length for me. The hair was so, it looks silky, okay? It looks smooth and it feels smooth, you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.